Welcome to Radha Susila Holistics. Today I am going to talk about cactus. Yes, cactus. Cactus is a thorny plant, a wild plant which usually grows in deserts. It's very beautiful. It has yellow, pink, white, purple flowers in it. For its beauty, people bring it and keep inside their houses indoors. But according to Feng Shui and Vastu, it is not recommended to bring cactus inside our house. It has a scientific reason also, because cactus is such a plant which can absorb negativity very nicely, and its thorns will emit back the negativity into our house. So they say that getting cactus inside our house is not good. But cactus come in 1700, more than 1750 varieties, but all of them have the same qualities, mostly all of them. Its scientific name is cacti. Now, we can also derive some good effects from cactus, even if it is not good keeping indoors. There are some places where we can keep it to derive good benefit from it. The first one is keeping outside your main door, on either side of your door, will keep all bad intention people at bay. It will stop negative entities from entering your house. It will stop the evil eye caused by viewing of other people, such as passer-by, neighbors and all who put evil eye on your house. And another thing, in many houses there will be some negative spots or negative places. How you will find these negative places or negative spots? When you go to that place, you will not feel like being there, or when you go there, suddenly your mood changes, you become depressed, or you start quarreling with somebody, or you feel like crying, or when you go to that place, your work gets obstructed. Such places are negative spots of your house. In such places, you get a cactus, keep it there for 18 days. It will absorb all the negative energy from the place, and you will be amazed to see how positive the place has become. Another thing, when some people suffer from sleep apnea, people suffering from sleep apnea, what they should do, they should bring a cactus and place it in the bedroom at nights. Cactus emit lots of good oxygen, so gradually they will get cured of their problem of sleep apnea. And you can, in some time what happens, unwanted people frequent our house. We don't like them. Every day they come, we don't like them coming. We can't say go away, we can't bear them, we will be in a dilemma. In such place, what you do, on your coffee table or side table, or just put a stool, or even you place it on the ground, you place a cactus there. Within some 15 to 20 days, such unwanted people's frequency will get over. They will go away on their own without us shooing them away. And it's a very useful thing for us. There are so many varieties of cactus, more than 1750 varieties, but some of them are very beneficial, like ball cactus. Ball cactus is very common. It comes in a ball-like shape. And another cactus is bird nest cactus. It has yellow flowers. That is also a very beneficial cactus. Third one is bishop cap cactus. These cactus you can find it in any nursery, get them and derive the benefits out of it. If you feel that you have got some good tips from this episode, please like, share and subscribe our video.